Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to locate the GTA 5 Enhanced main directory for Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and you can see your Steam dashboard, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu option labeled Library. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to your game library where all your installed and owned games are listed. Now, I should mention that I don't actually have GTA 5 Enhanced in my library list, but I'm going to walk you through the exact steps you would follow if you did. So let's pretend that I have GTA 5 Enhanced installed, or that I'm using GTA 5 Enhanced for this demonstration. The process will be identical for you once you locate the game in your own library. Once you're in your library and you can see GTA 5 Enhanced listed among your games, right-click on the game title. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, hover your mouse over the option that says Manage. Don't click it just yet, just hover over it with your cursor. This is important because Manage isn't a direct action, it's actually a submenu that contains additional options. When you hover over Manage, you'll notice a submenu appears to the side. This submenu contains various management options for your game. Look for the option labeled Browse Local Files and click on it. This is the key step that will take you directly to what you're looking for. After clicking Browse Local Files, Steam will automatically open the game's main directory for you. This is the folder where all of GTA 5 Enhanced's core files are stored, including the game executable, configuration files, and all the essential data the game needs to run. This directory is useful for things like installing mods, troubleshooting issues, or manually backing up your game files. And that's it, you've successfully located the GTA 5 Enhanced main directory through Steam, giving you direct access to all the game's files and folders. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.